Hello everybody, I'm back again with another website from the deep web. This one's called Rent a Hacker. Sorry, let me clear my throat. Rent a Hacker, and this one was in the first video I made, but I want to do a full review of it. So basically he says he is an experienced hacker offering his services. Legal hacking, social engineering is my business since 16 years old. Never had a real job, so I had the time to get really good at hacking, and I made a good amount of money the last 20 years. So he's saying he's been doing this for a really long time, since he was 16 years old. He's been hacking websites, and again, this is the dark web. If you don't know how to access it, I have a video on it in the tutorial before this one, the video before this, so you can go ahead and watch that one. So basically this guy hacks, and we're going to see what he does. So, you know, you can hack several different things. He has his pricing, technical skills, basically what he does, 0-day exploits, which is a video I'll make on specifically just 0-day exploits, because that's something that's crazy huge right now. But he says what I'll do. He says, I do anything for money, I'm not a pussy. If you want me to destroy some business or personal plans, I'll do it. And I stopped there when I cussed because I don't want this video to be demonetized, so I'm probably going to skip over the cuss words next time. So some examples are simply hacking something technically, whatever that's supposed to mean. And then he says, cause a lot of technical trouble on websites and networks to disrupt their service with DDoS and other methods, meaning he can shut down websites, send bots to their website and get them shut down. And he has economic espionage, which is sort of the same thing, but taking the funds out of their accounts, deleting their bank accounts, stuff like that. He says he can do that. He says he can get private information from someone. If you need information from someone, you can't get it, he can get it for you. And he says ruining your opponent's business and personal, or private or personal. I'll actually keep it while I'm reading. It says ruining your opponent's business and or private persons you don't like. I can ruin them financially and get you arrested, or get them arrested. Whatever you like. So basically this guy says he'll do any type of hack to, maliciously go against any other business that may be competing against your business, or something of yours, or a person that you don't like and you just want them to be incarcerated for some reason. He's saying that he can do that. So it's a pretty bold claim. So we're going to go ahead and see what his prices are. He says small jobs from email and Facebook hacking. Installing Trojans and small DDoS is 250 euros, and what is that? 1/18th of Bitcoin. So basically, that's what he'll do for a small job. A medium job is ruining people, espionage, website hacking, DDoS from big websites, and that is 500 euros, and that also can be done in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin you can use basically on all deep web transactions, and it's something that's highly used because it can be used in not unauthorized, but in hidden wallets. Bitcoin has wallets. You put your money, or your Bitcoin money, in a wallet, a digital wallet, and those wallets can be untraced depending on how you have them set up. So basically he's saying if you have a Bitcoin wallet that's set up in that way that you can trade through the dark web, then you can trade him Bitcoin for his services. So the last job is a large job which takes a few days, or multiple smaller jobs, DDoS for protected sites. So that's 900 euros, and it says upgrade, instant reply within 30 to 60 minutes instead of 24 to 36 hours for urgent cases. If I need longer, this will get you refunded. Only buy this together with one of the other options. So if you want him to reply to you faster, you can buy the last option to make sure that you get a response within the next hour. But he says if he isn't able to get to you within that hour, that you'll be refunded your money. So basically, this guy is said to be a pretty serious hacker. He can shut down businesses, companies, people even, and, not be traced. So whether or not that would be something that I mean, definitely something that something that I'm interested in, but it is an option on the dark web. So I mean, it's here. So I'm not gonna click on it and try to see if it works, but I don't even know how we would go about testing it. I want to see if there is a way of testing and seeing if this works. And then maybe capturing the video live feed when I speak to the person. I'm not actually going to do that, so I'm going to actually do a fake transaction maybe. If it is not, I don't know, because there's legal and there's illegal, so I'll go over that in a video. I want to see who these people are that are creating these sites, and obviously they're experienced, they know what they're doing, and they know what to say, but are they actually going to deliver on that? So we'll talk about that in the next video. Hopefully you guys like this, and again, we'll be going over tons of these websites, so subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.